how to make an outfit look better. That is exactly what we're going to do with 4 basic outfits today. We're going to transform 4 basic outfits and make them look chic with just a few little easy styling tips. I will also be reviewing 3 different pieces from Organic Basics in today's video as well, which were kindly gifted to me. If this is your first time joining us, hello, my name is Emily and I make slow fashion videos here on YouTube. I talk about shopping your own wardrobe, styling what you already have. I also explore ethical and sustainable brands. I talk about capsule wardrobes, all while I encourage you to maintain a slow fashion mindset. So if you love fashion and you love style, but you want to do it in an ethical way, then you are in the right place. Before we get started, I had a few questions about this jumper. I wore it in a video a little while ago and what size I'm wearing. I am wearing an extra small in this. It's an oversized fit. I will link it again in the description of this video if you are still interested in checking that out. Another thing to note before we start is that I'm actually wearing Organic Basics underwear under all my outfits today. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have really wanted to test out these Organic Basic Tencel underwear. They have been on my wish list for a while. I got them in the dusty rose color, which actually turns out to be a really good color for my skin tone. So I wore this under a white shirt in the video, you'll see it soon, and you couldn't see the bra underneath. So it was kind of like a good nude-ish color for me. The underwear, it did not disappoint. It is the most comfortable, softest underwear I've ever worn, like luxury, like I couldn't stop touching my own butt. If you haven't tried Tencel before, it basically feels like silk. I will link them in the description below. So the first basic outfit base that I chose is blue jeans and a white shirt, something that a lot of us might have in our wardrobes already. I chose an oversized cotton white shirt and a high-rise, very light wash blue jean. These are my new jeans from Outland Denim, a great company that makes ethical and sustainable jeans. These are described as a relaxed skinny cut. So they're not skinny to the skin down the bottom. They're not a straight leg, but they're not quite as skinny. They're right in between. I really like the fit on these, so I will make sure I link them below. But that is the base that we're starting with, just blue jeans and a white shirt. So let's give this outfit some little styling tweaks and take it from basic to chic. The first thing I do before doing anything is kind of think about the vibe that I want to go for. With this particular outfit, I would think, do I want to leave this beautiful oversized shirt hanging out, or do I want to try tuck it all the way in and show off the waistline of those jeans? I kind of want to go for like a cool chic vibe, so I think I'm going to leave this oversized shirt out because it drapes really nicely at the back. But obviously once we start styling things, things can change, and maybe I'll give it a bit of tuck, maybe I won't. But with a shirt of this kind, the very first thing I would do is always cuff my sleeves. I usually go for a double cuff on sleeves, so the sleeve length ends up being about 2/3 down my arm or maybe 3/4 down my arm. The next thing I decided to do for this outfit is pop on some black strappy sandals. They've got a little block heel, so they're casual but chic and cool at the same time. And by adding black, we're adding a third color and we're adding contrast into the outfit because it's quite a light outfit already. So I think a nice black strappy shoe is the perfect shoe to choose in this case. Now, once I put on these shoes, I realized that the jeans hit the top strap of the shoes and there was no gap between them. I don't like this look. I feel like it's a bit messy and the jeans almost look a bit long. I really do think there needs to be a disconnect between a shoe like this and the jeans. So what I decided to do was just cuff up the jeans a little bit so as to show a tiny little gap between the top shoe strap and the bottom of the jeans. Now I'm adding on some gold hoop earrings. They're like a medium-sized gold hoop. These are probably one of my most versatile earrings. I love putting these on when I'm just running errands and I want to pop on an earring to kind of make myself feel a bit more complete. And it's the perfect earring for the vibe that I'm trying to create. I decided to play around a bit with the buttons and the level of undone buttons I had. I undid a button and then I was like, a bit too much boob, so I just did that button back up again. Now to finish off this look with a few more accessories, I decided to do some black accessories. It ties the shoes back into the outfit, brings that little bit more of contrast, and it doesn't add another color into the outfit. So far we've got black, white, and blue, and that's kind of enough for me to know that I have a cohesive outfit. You can add more colors, but it just is a bit harder to create a cohesive outfit once you start adding more colors. So I do like to often just keep it simple and keep it to 3 colors. I like how the outfit's looking so far, but I want to play around with the styling of the bottom of the shirt and see if I can tuck it in a bit different. So I undid a few buttons on the bottom and decided to tuck one side in. I love this look. It's not how I style shirts all the time, but I do like doing it every now and then. I think it's really cool. It kind of gives off a really relaxed look. It can be a little bit messy. It doesn't have to be too perfect, and it drapes quite nicely at the back of it as well. So I've just popped on a gold watch and a gold chain necklace. I don't think it needs either of them, but it's a nice finishing touch at the same time. There's nothing too overpowering about the outfit and the clothes in general. They're just basic pieces. So I think I can get away with adding a few more accessories in this case. So that's my first outfit, gone from basic to chic with just a few styling tweaks and accessories. So for this next outfit, I'm going to be reviewing the Organic Basics Tencel turtleneck. I wish you could feel this. It is as soft as silk. It's so beautiful. This turtleneck is quite lightweight, a very fine fabric. So it's really, really perfect for layering in the colder months. So there was a study done, don't quote me on this, but somewhere in Germany where they rated fabrics from like class A to class D of how ethical and how sustainable they were. Organic linen was class A, regular linen was class C, and Tencel sat in the middle at class B. So that kind of gives you an idea of how environmentally friendly it is. When it comes to fashion and sustainability, nothing can be perfect, but Tencel is one of those fabrics that is close. So, you know, if we're going to be investing in new things, we want to be doing it in these kind of fabrics. If you're not into the turtlenecks, you could also just get like a long sleeve t-shirt or something like that. But I personally love the high neck on that one. So for this outfit, I decided to pair it with my black jeans from Outland Denim. These are a more relaxed fit. They're a mum fit. To be honest, when I first got these, I was like, oh, they're a bit too relaxed. But then I wore them a couple of times and I was like, whoa, these are so cool. They give me just a really nice shape around my waist, which I really like, and my thighs, and they don't hug everything too much and they're just relaxed. And I don't have anything in my wardrobe like that in jeans. They're really comfortable. They're like a fine denim. They're not too thick and they're super soft. So I like that they're a bit more faded, and I like the contrast between the Tencel turtleneck and the wash of the jeans. I think when you're creating like an all black or all one color outfit, having different textures of items can really help break up the outfit and make it look a bit more interesting and not all just one block color from head to toe. Anyway, so these are my 2 basic items. Now let's make this basic outfit a little more chic. I'm going to show you 2 jacket options at the end, but what we're going to start with is I'm just adding a simple black belt. I think it does help to seamlessly break up those 2 different colors. I've then popped on some black suede ankle boots. These are a pair that I picked up from Vestiaire Collective. They're pre-loved designer. Oh my God, I just love them. Once I'd put on the boots, the jeans just sat at a really bad length on the boots. So I decided to cuff them twice, and these jeans look really cool when they're cuffed. So I've cuffed them so that there's about maybe like a 1.5 kind of gap between the boots and the jeans. That's what I like. They're not quite boot cut jeans, so if I left them over the boots, they hugged it a little bit and they looked a bit uncomfortable. So I think these ones look best cuffed. So we are going all black for this outfit, and I know I've told you guys that I don't want to wear as much black anymore, but I want to just make that clear that I definitely don't want to be wearing as much black anymore, but there's definitely still room for black in my wardrobe. But I just don't want my entire wardrobe to be black, which it kind of was a little while ago when I was a model and working in retail. That was just my uniform. I think all black outfits are really cool. I think black pieces are really cool mixed with lighter pieces to bring contrast into outfits. So you will still see black in my videos. I just want to make that clear because I've had a couple of people ask me. So yeah, that is just that. Anyway, you'll be able to see that I have added my black bag again, I've added those hoops again, and then I have added the black sunglasses. Already I've just added a couple of accessories, I've done a few little styling tweaks, and this very plain basic outfit is looking a lot better. So I'm going to show you 2 different jacket options. The first is just embracing that all black grungy look, and we're going with a black biker jacket. I love the vibe of this. As you can see, Fanta did get a little scared. He gets really scared when I wear my leather jacket. I think because it's a bit bulky and clunky and has all these chains and stuff. He's an anxious little cat, so he just saw me in this biker jacket and just shot down the hallway, which was quite funny. It made me laugh. But yeah, the other option is to just add a bit of color to this outfit, and I added in my rust colored blazer, which would be for a different temperature, but I think that color on top of the stark black, oh, I think that looks really, really nice. Give me some of that water. Okay, we're on to outfit number 3. So for outfit number 3, I have the stripy 100% organic cotton. Yeah, organic cotton, organic basics t-shirt. I've always been a bit scared of stripes. I don't know why, but recently I realized that a very plain neutral outfit, or just a very plain outfit with block colors, can look really beautiful with a striped piece in there somewhere. Although this is flat, it somehow brings a bit of texture to an outfit and a bit more intrigue. I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually cream and a very deep navy blue. So it's not black and white, which I'm really happy about. The blue is so deep and navy though that it can actually be paired with black too. So that's really handy. I have been testing these products out for a few weeks before I reviewed them because I wanted to give you guys like honest feedback, and I really like the thickness of this. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, but I find that sometimes t-shirts can be so fine that they're almost see-through and there's no point in wearing them. And this one is just a great thickness. I like the boxy shape of it. I got a size small, just an all-round great t-shirt. One day when I need new t-shirts, when I need to replace my white t-shirt or my black t-shirt, I'll probably be buying this one. The other basic piece in this outfit is a basic linen short. These are an older pair from Country Road when I worked for the brand. They are linen and they're high-waisted. So the first thing I decided to do was obviously to tuck all the way in. When I'm wearing high-waisted items, I really like tucking all the way around. When I'm wearing mid-rise items, I like to just do a front half tuck. That's my general rule of thumb. Sometimes it changes depending on the piece, but usually that's how it works. So because these are really high-waisted shorts, I decided to tuck the t-shirt all the way around. Now I decided to add my ballet flats to this outfit. I thought, let's just channel that kind of French effortless vibe. So we do have beige in the t-shirt, beige in the ballet flats, beige in the shorts, and then the contrast is brought in with that beautiful navy stripe. So I'm gonna do something a little left of field here, and it's just to add some sort of different intrigue and excitement to this outfit. So I'm adding a really large chunky gold chain necklace, and because I'm adding this necklace, I don't think I need any earrings for this outfit. I really like the difference this necklace brings to the basic pieces that I'm wearing. It's kind of dressy and large but minimal at the same time, and I like the contrast in its styling element compared to the basic t-shirt and the basic shorts. Obviously, if you're not into this kind of look, you could just wear like a plain oh my gosh, excuse me, bless me. If you are not into the gold chain look, you could obviously just wear like a plain gold pendant or nothing at all, maybe like a little hoop or a drop earring, like a drop pearl earring like these ones. Totally fine, but I just wanted to add a bit of excitement and just something a bit different, because sometimes it's fun to mix different style elements with each other. And the next thing I'm going to do is add over a beige linen shirt. Here, the vibe I'm trying to create is the overall look of like having a matchy suit, like a suit jacket and suit shorts, the beige linen on the beige linen, but it's a bit more relaxed. And because I don't have a beige blazer, I'm going with the beige shirt. But that's the vibe I'm kind of going for. And I like how the shirt is a little oversized. When I stand to the side, it gives a really beautiful drape, and you can only see the little shorts pop out the bottom. So it kind of gives that matchy, suity vibe going on. I love this outfit. I just think it's really cool. And as you can see, everything is beige except for that navy stripe. And it really helps right? Like the stripe really helps to bring in contrast and texture and make me look 3D again rather than just looking beige. As you can see, I have added a straw bag, which is cute, channeling that French vibe again, and then my glasses as well. And then just for reference, I decided to style it without that gold chain, and I just popped a little gold pendant necklace on instead. I really like it with the chain. I think it's just cool. It's something different. But if you're not into that, a gold pendant looks nice as well. So we've got one more basic outfit to make chic, and we're going to finish off on something really fun. All the outfits have been neutral so far, so I'm going to add a bit of color to end this off. I'm starting off with a basic mini slip dress. My mini slip dress happens to be in like a florally print. There are lots of colors in this little slip dress. There's blue, there's like a purpley pink color, there's a cream color, there's black, there's green. There's a lot of little colors in the pattern of this dress, which is great. That gives me so much opportunity to style. Excuse me, we're in lockdown. Where are you all going in your cars? Silent. So because we've got so many colors in the dress, it gives me a really great opportunity to pull colors out of that dress to style. I had this little green cardigan and this little purple cardigan to choose from. I thought, hey, let's add this little purple cardigan. You guys have never seen it before. It was a secondhand purchase. I thought this was a nice time to show it off, and it looks so cute on top of this dress. It works because that purpley pink color is in the dress already. This is a really nice way of styling pieces, is pulling out colors and going for the matchy look. As you can see, I popped on some little pumps as well. We're channeling another French girl outfit for this one. I think the cherry on top of the cake for me for this outfit is the earrings. These are a little vintage pearly earring that I picked up at a secondhand market. The way that they look with that little puff sleeve detail gives me a very warm vintage vibes. And I just love the way that looks. So obviously I am finishing off the look with this little vintage bag. I've tucked my hair behind my ears to show off those beautiful pearls. And what can I say? I'm like obsessed with this outfit. This is not the way I would like to dress all the time. As you can see, this outfit is so different to the outfit at the beginning, but this outfit is a mood. This is like, if I was in the mood to dress this way, I dress this way. If I was in the mood to dress in a black grungy outfit, I'll dress that way. I dress for my mood, I dress intuitively, and I think that's a massive thing that I've realized recently since trying to discover my personal style, is that I really dress to how I feel on the particular day. Because to me, fashion is art, fashion is creativity, and I love expressing myself in that way. And I just want to show how easy it is to, you know, make these basic pieces that we have in our wardrobe really fun and exciting, with just a few styling tweaks and a few little accessories. Next week I have a really fun video for you guys. It's going to be outfit formulas. So this plus this equals an outfit. So make sure you turn on the notifications for that. I'm going to pop a few of my most popular styling videos up on the screen now. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to spread kindness this week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.